Right, today I will make a quick video about the reverse lights. My car is currently on the run position with the reverse lights activated. They're not working. I've replaced the reverse switch a couple of times already. I haven't replaced it. I tried it out with a few of them that I've had and no luck. So what I did was remove this pickup connector right here, and then I jumped it. It's the one that goes right there down at the bottom, and when you jump it, it works. I have other spare transmissions. I removed the sensor from the other transmissions and it did not work. I just picked this one up from AutoZone. It's the Duralast reverse switch. I'm probably gonna need both hands real quick. All right, so I have the pigtail there connected, and this is just a off and on switch. So if I press it, it works. Sweet. So this switch is working. We'll replace this switch with the one that is in here. It is way down in there. Kind of hard to see. Yeah, most definitely. But it is a size 27mm socket. We'll drive that sucker out. All you have to do is just remove that electrical connector that's right above it, push it over to the side. You should be able to access it with a straight and the socket. If not, you could always use a swivel to get to it. But yesterday when I was swapping it out, I was able to get it out just like so. So I'm going to do the same thing here. And then we're also going to put some RTB silicone because this is on the transmission. And if you remove that, you are going inside the transmission, basically, where the transmission oil is at. So you want to make a good gasket maker seal on there so it does not leak the oil through that sensor. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. All right, just like so. And there it is loose. So we'll just drive that sucker out. And here is the sensor. And I will show you. I will connect this sensor and press the button and nothing will happen. So real quick, here's the replacement. Works. We'll try the original ones. All right, and there it is. Does not work. It's the switch. So we'll install that one and we should call it fixed. This is my RTB from yesterday. Still hasn't fully dried. All right, so goodbye, sensor. And that is how you fix your reverse lights. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.